What's that?
What is that?
No, there's
Where's the
no
cat?
home.
Meow! No, the cat's up there. No, dude, this isn't cool.
I don't know why this is happening. There's no one home.
Is it your boyfriend?
No.
Wait. No.
No, I told him not to come over.
Mr. Quiz?
No, you wouldn't be here either. Do we have something to do for history?
No, we didn't have anything to do for history. Not a project.
I don't know. Let's go this way.
Turn the lights on. Beyonce's here.
Where are the lights at? I don't know what it is.
Who is there?
Why is that happening?
I don't know what we're gonna do.
I don't know. I don't have cell phone service.
Either
The
do
lights are
I.
out.
And I can't even tell my mom. My mom doesn't know I'm here.
I'm so scared.
No one loves me.
Scared.
And I didn't even get to play a good Bobby game.
Do you hear that noise?
It's not cool.
Where's that coming from?
This isn't cool.
I think someone's trying to get inside.
Like, where's Ashton?
Who?
Ashton, am I getting... Ah! I think I just peed. I just peed a little.
Someone's trying to get in.
This isn't cool.
You hear that noise?
Shut up, Jose. Stop. Who is it? Who is that? Who?
Guys, it's just me.
Dude, it's Allie. Holy...
I thought you were staying at your friend's house.
Wait. Well, why did the power go out?
Was that you the whole time?
Uh-huh.
But
Why did the power
go out?
It's raining.
That's why there's no service either.
Rach.
Victoria.
We should have gotten an alarm.
An alarm system.
I'll tell my mom to get an alarm. That way this will never happen again.
Buy an alarm system
This will never happen
today.